Hey everyone, welcome back to the Coffee and Critters. My name is Frank, and today we're going to do our 4th week hive inspection on our Italian honeybees. Let's go. Hey, we're out here going to check our Italian honeybees. It's our 4th week hive inspection. I'm going to take this first ward out here. Nothing's on there yet. Not much on the second one yet. This one has some on it, has some weight on there. Gonna be looking for the queen again, capped brood. Looks like they got a lot of honey and pollen. Nothing on that side. All right, here's the middle one. It looks pretty full. Check this side out. See some larvae, that's a good sign. More larvae. Starting to cap it. Another full one here. Oh, that guy got mad at me. Oh, I got them all fired up. That queen looks a little different. I don't think it's a queen though. Might be a drone. Everything in this one looks looking good too. Starting to build out on this side a little bit. Use a little bit on here. Bring it a little closer for you guys. All right. We'll just put them all back. Try not to squish anybody. Put this board back on. Make sure it's on there all the way. Feels like it is. Put my brick back on top. I'll be able to move this. I don't know if I can. All right. Hey everybody, thank you for watching the Coffee and Critters. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. I'll see you guys next week for a 5th week hive inspection.